You guys can't seem to get enough of this series, so today we're back with another episode of testing TikTok side hustles. I took some time over the last couple of hours to pick out 3 of the most uncommon side hustles I could find on TikTok, and over the next several days we are going to test them all out to see how much money I can make. Dropshipping is honestly a word I'd never thought I'd say again on this channel. Sure, it's a legitimate way to make money. A ton of people have seen absolutely crazy results with it, but for the most part on the internet, everyone who says they've made millions of dollars dropshipping actually makes most of their money selling a course on how to do it. Knowledge. This TikTok video though gives a fun spin on the dropshipping business model, and I kind of want to try it out.
Here's the best side hustle anyone can start, and you can make $1,000 or more each month. Someone made a TikTok on this and I ended up trying it out and made $200 last week. So first go to Etsy and search up homemade to look through all the items. Now find a bunch of items you like that can sell. Now you can go to Facebook Marketplace and sell all the items on here. Also, try to raise the price by 30%. Then if someone wants it, they'll message you on Facebook and buy it. Then you buy the item from Etsy and ship it out to the customer and keep the profit.
You know what? I absolutely love this business idea, and for anyone in the comments who's going to be like marking up the price on an item and reselling it for a profit is scamming, well, maybe you should go visit the homie Bernie Sanders YouTube channel, because at least around here we are capitalists, baby. I didn't mean that in any way politically, it's just a joke, guys. But anyways, as you guys can see, I am on Etsy right now, and for the next couple of hours, I'm gonna pick out anywhere from 5 to 10 beautifully handcrafted items, then I'm gonna relist them on Facebook Marketplace, and hopefully in a few days when we get some sales, I will check back in with you guys. Call me Kanye West, because one thing I never thought I'd be messing with was gold digging, but today we're gonna make an exception to that rule because I found a pretty cool TikTok video.
I just got a mystery gold packet. And this is a pan that we are gonna use to find the gold. Let's pour the miner's dirt into the pan. Can we fill up this entire jar with gold? First, I dunk it in water, then swirl it around, and our gold will be revealed. In this water is dirt, and whatever is left is gold. It might take a while, but I'm sure there'll be gold. Here's a daily treasure!
I think my TikTok algorithm got a little bit messed up because that video seemed like it was targeted towards 10-year-olds, but nonetheless, it's a side hustle and a pretty unique one, in fact, so we might as well try it out in this video. Alright, so I found the exact same sand pretty much in the TikTok video on Amazon for $27.50. The description on this listing says that every single bag has some amount of gold inside of it, and 1 in 3 bags are something known as a honey hole bag, meaning they have way more gold than usual. So that we have a decent chance at making money with this, I'm going to go ahead and buy 3 bags of this stuff for $82.50. That way we still have backup bags in case I mess up panning, since I've never done it before, and I also want to increase our chances of getting a honey hole bag. The total cost after taxes and everything is $86.64. Quite the investment, but my 5-year-old self would be very proud, so let's go ahead and do it. As you guys can see, our package is supposed to arrive literally tomorrow thanks to Amazon Prime shipping, so I'll check in with you guys then. Alright guys, so I believe in this package we have 3 bags of our gold-filled sand. Let's go, baby. Now all we have to do is learn how to pan this, and hopefully with whatever gold we get, I'll take it to the pawn shop. I just watched some videos on how to pan for gold, and from what I've seen, all you need is a bucket filled with water, a small dish like this where you put your pay dirt, and then you just kind of like pan it, put the water in, and try to sift out all the dirt. I have a strong feeling I'm gonna mess this up, but here goes nothing. As I tried to pan the gold pay dirt over the next 30 minutes, I struggled massively. I'm not gonna lie, guys, my first attempt at panning definitely didn't go so well. I decided to move on to a little bit of a bigger bucket. As you guys can see, this thing is way too small, so I went ahead and filled this little laundry basket with water, and I'm gonna be panning with this. When I moved to the larger bin, I still had no clue what I was doing, so I did my best to find at least a tiny amount of gold and call it a day. As you guys can see, I found a couple tiny specks of gold from that gold pay dirt. It's not much, but at least I found something. I feel like I completely messed that up, so I'm going to take some time to watch some YouTube videos about techniques for panning gold, and then once I get the right setup, we will try to get some more gold out of these bags. And that's exactly what I did. I probably spent 3 hours learning techniques for how to pan gold from YouTube videos, and in the end, this is what I found. A few days and a lot of hours of learning later, this is the total amount of gold I found in the pay dirt. My total investment to find this gold is now $112 since I had to pay an extra 26 bucks to get some mining pans from Walmart. Anyways guys, I am now going to take our tiny gold flakes to a pawn shop to see if we can get more than $100 for them. Alright guys, we just pulled up to the pawn shop. I'm gonna go ahead and show them this gold, so let's head inside. So we tried panning for gold, do you know what that is? We did it for fun, and we're just trying to see how much what we found is worth.
Not very much. Yeah, we won't even be able to weigh that, man. It's
really?
Just not enough to weigh.
Ah, dang. Okay, good to know.
Yep, a little bit more.
Cool.
Keep panning.
Guys, unfortunately, what we found panning gold isn't even worth anything because the pawn shop can't weigh it. That's kind of a fail. I know what you guys are thinking. It's 2021. Who buys physical books anymore, especially when you have platforms like Audible where people literally read for you? I guess there still is some sort of demand for books since this guy on TikTok made a video with over 1 million likes about reselling books from Dollar Tree.
Go to a Dollar Tree or Dollar General, find the aisle where they sell $1 books, go through all the books and search them on eBay. If they sell for more than $1, resell the book for profit. Buy all the books they have in stock. Like and follow for more easy side hustles.
First off, I had no idea that Dollar Tree sold books before seeing this video, and secondly, I also know from first-hand reseller experience that eBay is definitely not the place you want to sell books. Jeff Bezos started Amazon as an online bookstore back in the 1990s, and to this day, books sell way faster on Amazon, and also you can get way more money for them. Today, I'm going to take my filmer Danielle with me to 2 different dollar stores in my area, along with 2 different thrift stores, which also have cheap books to resell. The goal is to find anywhere between 10 to 20 books that resell for a good amount of profit, and I also want to make sure they have a sales rank under 1 million, which means they'll sell super fast. To start things off, guys, we pulled up in front of Family Dollar, so let's go inside. So we just found our first book out of the bunch to resell. This book's selling for $1 inside the store. It's going for $10.85 on Amazon. So after everything, that's gonna be $4.43 profit. The second store we went to had a much better book selection than the first store, so for that reason, we made a lot more money. The only difference was all of the books in this thrift store were used, so I had to focus on the used prices for the books, which wasn't a big deal since that stuff still sells on Amazon. We just hit an absolute jackpot in that second store. First up, we have this book called The Hidden Curriculum. For some reason, this book is selling for $50 profit on Amazon, and it's literally in perfect used condition, and it has a 700,000 sales rank, so it should sell pretty quick. Next up, we found this super weird book called the United Methodist Hymnal. It says it's selling for like a $30 profit, even in used condition, so I went ahead and scooped it up. It has a decent sales rank. The only thing I'm concerned about is the binding isn't in the best condition, so worst case, we lost money on this one, but I'm thinking this one's a winner for sure. It is now the next day. We didn't find anything good from the last 2 stores we went to yesterday, so as a recap, we ended up finding 3 books, as you guys can see, for $80 profit. Just to let you guys know, that's not usually how book reselling goes. Usually I find anywhere from 10 to 15 books, and all of those books add up to like $50 or $60 profit. I guess yesterday we just got super lucky, so on that note, we're gonna go ahead and package these 3 books in these boxes along with some backpacks I got in a previous video, and then we're gonna ship it all to Amazon. So as a recap, everyone, we took a fat L with my gold panning business. We made $84 in projected profit reselling books on Amazon. And finally, for how the Facebook marketplace dropshipping went, unfortunately, I took another L due to some complications. Mark Zuckerberg literally blocked my account from being able to sell items via shipping on Facebook marketplace because let's just say in the past, I started a little business selling fake Rolexes, and he didn't like it when I tried to run Facebook ads to that website. Hopefully, when the lizard Lizard Man sees this video, he'll give me a second chance. But for now, if you guys want to learn some real ways to make money on Facebook Marketplace, click this video right here. It's my formula for how I used to make a bunch of money reselling phones. Peace out.